Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're checking out the best scrapbook case for organizing your art supplies, the Iris USA 12 inches by 12 inches scrapbook paper storage case. If you're looking for the perfect way to keep your craft supplies, documents, or even photos safe and organized, this is the case you need. Let's take a closer look at why it's a top choice for many. First up, the design. The Iris USA scrapbook case is built to be functional and durable. Made from high-quality, clear plastic, it's both lightweight and sturdy, so you can easily see what's inside, making it incredibly convenient to grab the materials you need without opening every single case. The 12 inches by 12 inches size is perfect for storing all kinds of items, from scrapbook papers, photos, to even vinyl sheets. You'll have no trouble fitting your supplies in here, whether it's a project in progress or items you just want to keep organized for later use. The structure of the case is what truly sets it apart. Each one is made with rounded corners, so your contents are protected from damage, and the snap-tight latches provide an extra layer of security, keeping your items safe from dust, dirt, and any spills. But perhaps the best feature of all is the built-in handle. It makes transporting this case so much easier, whether you're moving it from your craft room to a workshop or even taking it to a friend's house for a crafting session. No more awkwardly juggling boxes, just grab and go. Another highlight is the versatility. While it's marketed as a scrapbook case, the applications are endless. You can use it to store office supplies, art materials like beads or paints, even documents and important papers. This case is great for anyone who wants to keep their workspace tidy and organized. Plus, it fits perfectly with the Iris USA 6-tier scrapbook cart, so if you're really looking to expand your storage capacity, this case is compatible with that system as well. The dimensions are also perfect for maximizing your storage space without taking up too much room. Each case measures 14.37 inches long by 14.18 inches wide, and 3.13 inches high, giving you a generous amount of space without making the case too bulky. It's designed to fit neatly in most shelves or cabinets, so you don't have to worry about clutter piling up. Whether you're using it for personal craft projects or business needs, this case will keep everything in its place. Lastly, the fact that it's made in the USA adds to its appeal. You're getting a product that's not only reliable but also crafted with care and precision. It's BPA-free, ensuring your stored items stay safe from harmful chemicals. If you value quality and want a storage solution that stands the test of time, this Iris USA scrapbook case is definitely worth considering. So there you have it. The Iris USA 12 inches by 12 inches scrapbook paper storage case is an excellent choice for anyone who needs a durable, portable, and spacious organizer. If you're tired of the clutter and want to keep your crafting supplies, documents, and other materials neatly sorted, this is the perfect solution for you. Be sure to check out the link below if you want to grab one for yourself. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more product reviews, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to review next.